How to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80072EFF on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80072EFF on Windows 10. 1. Use System File Checker, sfc/scano, admin mode. 2. Check for updates. 3. Reset Windows Store cache, wsreset.exe. 4. Delete local cache at %localapp.a %\\\packages //Microsoft.Windows Store _8 week 3d8 bv / local state. 5. Re-register the Windows Store cache via PowerShell. Get apps package alerts for each apps package. Disable development mode. Register $_install location apex manifest.xml6. Try tweaking then resetting the internet settings. Apply the following options in advanced IE settings. Use SSL 2.0, use SSL 3.0, use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, use TLS 1.2.